I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
I'm Abby the Gardener.
And this is our newest garden helper, Ava, for Avena. So today we're going to get the live wall replanted for the summer. And just like last year, we're going to plant it with Coleus. It was so beautiful all season long. So thanks to Big Bloomers and Garden Supply Company, we were able to get all the Coleus that we need. So our next step will be to fill the planters with our customized mix of soil cube compost and aged pine bark. Here is the finished product. I love mixing the ground aged pine bark with the soil cube compost. We got one half done. Awesome. Now we're just going to turn it. It's on casters, so this is super easy. The whole idea of using this live wall like this is really simple. It gives us a focal point out the back door to look at. I'm able to pull my car in front. And it gives us sort of an outdoor room to be able to have right here on our driveway, which is great because during quarantine, this is where we hang out with a lot of our neighbors, standing 6 feet apart. Wanted to give a live wall update. These Coleus were planted in here in the middle of April, and you can't even see the frame at this stage. They look beautiful. All of the Coleus came from Big Bloomer's Flower Farm, my favorite nursery, and both sides are just growing without any boundaries at all. Brings me great joy to drive home and park in front of this. I hope you've enjoyed watching us replant our live wall. If you're interested in buying a live wall, you can go to livewall.com and you can order yours yourself. This is a living screen. Like I mentioned, it comes on casters. It automatically hooks up to a hose and it comes with a timer so that it self-irrigates. We did use some time-release fertilizer just to make sure that the Coleus will grow all summer long. And now that it's planted, we are basically done for the entire season. We just get to watch it grow and we'll be using it as a selfie station. So thanks again for watching and subscribe to Bree the Plant Lady for more garden inspiration.